let's talk about the Supremes. Nope, not those Supremes. Or those either. We're talking about these, the Supreme Court Justices, the 9 people that ultimately decide the law of the land. The Supreme Court is the highest federal court in the United States and usually has 1 Chief Justice and 8 Associate Justices. Under the Constitution, all of the justices are appointed by the President and approved by the majority in the Senate. Once the Supreme Court Justices are approved, they actually have their positions for life.
Oh, hell no!
What we're seeing now with the passing of Justice Antonin Scalia is that this Supreme Court is now embroiled in the middle of a pretty intense political battle. Who are our Supreme Court Justices? Sotomayor, Kagan, Breyer, and Ginsburg, Thomas, Kennedy, Scalia, Alito, and Roberts. So while the Constitution clearly says that it's the President's right to appoint a Supreme Court Justice, what we're dealing with now is Republicans in the Senate are kind of getting upset because they don't think that it's appropriate for the President to make such a huge decision in the waning months of his presidency. Also, they're kind of concerned that he's going to appoint a liberal-minded judge, and that could potentially tip the scales. And that's what you need to know. Which is like just, I have so many feelings about it.
Well, tell me your feelings.
Because
talk about your feelings.
I have so many feelings about politics in general.